In this video, I will share the guide for retailers and brands from Think with Google. Whether you are looking to optimize your existing marketing mix or making a game plan for the holiday season, this guide has you covered. Let's get started now. The first is to connect with potential customers with inspired action with videos. Do you know 81% of consumers in surveyed countries across the globe say they discover new brands online during COVID-19? No idea how to cut your hair? You learn from YouTube. Wish to learn how to cook more dishes at home? You find cooking tutorial on YouTube. YouTubes have evolved from a singular entertainment destination to a place where people come to learn, stream, and inspire their next purchase. When watching videos, customers can shift from passive browsing to active shopping when they come across a product that interests them and motivates them to learn more. YouTube is a great tool to build awareness and inspire people to take the action that matters to your business. Don't forget, your video also can upload to the rest of the social media platforms, embed in your website, online store, and marketplaces to drive more sales. Sooner or later, I predict videos will become an essential element for every brand. People are getting lazy to read but prefer to watch in our daily activities. The second tip is engage customers as they research. I'm pretty sure before you buy anything, the research process has become inventory behavior to us. We are constantly looking for reviews, testimonials, feedback, especially the bad ones, comparison, and other signs to justify buying something. If your brand not present in Google results, you already lost a huge opportunity while they found your competitors. Be the answer where they search. Provide them with useful information and necessary content that help on the buyer behavior journey. This means search engine optimization or SEO is playing a big role for your brand. Don't forget other platforms like marketplaces, YouTube, or social media. Learn how to use their keyword research tool or fulfill the best practice per platform. If you're running paid advertisements, learn and test how to use affinity audience and in-market audience in Google Ads. Next point is to convert customers looking to purchase. Customers expect to be able to shop wherever meets their need. They want to be able to buy a product online as soon as they find it, or see if a local store has stock available for immediately delivery or pick up on the same day. At the minimum, you need to have a verified listing in Google My Business so the local customers can able to find your physical store or office to buy from you. Most importantly, it's totally free and easy to manage. Not to forget, this is how people only can give your business a Google review. Watch my other video where I share about how to utilize Google My Business to learn more. Check the link in the description. The fourth point is to maximize seasonal shopping moments. The global pandemic already trained customers to be super sensitive about special sales day, seasonal promotion, or annual event like Double 11. During this period, if you're able to turn the high buying intent customers to spend on your brand, your business might grow exponentially. How early you need to start promoting any seasonal promotions? I suggest you can check on Google Trends to look for the pattern and behavior. The funny thing is, consumers already expecting it must have sales during a specific day. If you fail to plan it early, then definitely you will switch to other alternate brands. I highly recommend you watch my other videos talking about 5 insights to maximize your mega sales moments. Check the link in the description. As a recap, let me sum up using these tips to unlock the key shopping moments. The first one is be visible. Show up throughout the purchasing journey with clear information about products, availability, and offers. Next is take a stand. Give shoppers a reason to support you by making your stance on sustainability, local ties, or key issues clear and find authentic ways to follow through. The third is start early. Upload your products and seasonal deals sooner as people begin their shopping earlier in the seasons to avoid stock up or avoid out of stock. The fourth is be flexible. Offer a range of delivery or collection options to make the purchasing experience as convenient as possible. The last tip is embrace change. Prepare for rapid short-term shift in demand with automated tools or adapting to long-term changes in the consumer landscape by considering your overall digital strategy. That's all for this video. Remember to check the link in the description to view the full report from Google. Thanks for watching and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.